Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Today I'd like to give a whoop whoop to JS1. JS1. Girl, I see you see me, so I want people to see you, and you were the first one to comment on one of my last videos, so girl, whoop whoop to you. So today's video is going to be a comparison of making my hair gel. I kind of made this hair gel maybe a couple of months ago, but I didn't give like hard solid ingredients. But someone had left a comment down in my comment section. I will leave the comment on the screen for you guys, and gave a recipe, so I wanted to give that recipe a try. And I also wanted to see what it would look like if it was tripled. So you guys are going to see a comparison of that today on how to easily make hair gel. Only 2 products. You only need 2 products. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using distilled water. I have this infant water, but you can use regular distilled water, or else you can use boiled water. I do have a scale, glycerin, and I'm also using Zectum gum in my second mixture. I'm going to be using the hydrolyzed rice protein. That's what I'm going to be using, with a couple of heat safe jars. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this hair gel 2 different ways. So first, you measure out your water amount. I'm not sure if you guys really quick like me to talk, so I'm going to be measuring out 92.7 grams of water. So I don't know if you guys want me to talk, but I'm going to talk through this one. Let me know down in the comment section if you like me to talk, or if you want me to just play music. So now I'm going to measure out my Zectum gum. I am going to be using 0.6 grams. This is a smaller scale. I will have both of these scales down in the description box. I am going to measure out my glycerin, which was 5.2 grams. And then I am going to add it to the water, allow the water, the Zectum gum to sit actually for about 40 minutes. And then I'm going to add the water into the Zectum gum and the glycerin. And as you guys can see from that measurement, it gave a little bit of a tacky moisturized gel. But this gel right here, this consistency is actually for probably a 3C and above. It wouldn't hold my particular curls. So you guys, I decided to make a thicker consistency. I actually tripled the recipe. I will leave it up on the screen. I allowed the Zectum gum and the glycerin to sit a little longer, and then I measured out the water again, tripling it. No, I left the water measurement the same. So this time I used the hydrolyzed wheat protein in there, and now I'm stirring it up, and you guys are going to see that it's a much thicker consistency. This consistency will actually be for a 4A and below for me, unless you want your gel to be a lot thicker. So this is a thicker consistency if you need a little bit more hold, or if your curls are a little bit more coarse like my hair is. So I really hope, like me showing you guys the differences of these recipes, and showing you guys how if you just triple the recipe, it will make a world of difference depending on your hair type. Like I said before, I did get that first recipe from someone in the comment section. I will leave her comment up on the screen for you guys. So if you want to check out her page, or I'm not sure if it's a her or a him, I'm sorry. But I will leave it up on the screen for you guys to see, and you can check out their page. So this is their original recipe. You see how thin it is, but it will probably still give someone with a 3C or a 3B above good hold. But I tripled the recipe, and this is what I got. This will give someone that probably has a 4A to about 4B, a little bit more of a hold or moisture consistency of what you're looking for. So once again, this is the first formula, which is really thin, and then the second formula is thicker. So I hope this video really helped you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay guys, so that's how you make the hair gel. I'm gonna be transforming these two products just to see if I can make a gel cream out of it. So stay tuned for that video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.